I'm Rene Ritchie, and this is HomePod. Apple has introduced its first smart speaker, Yang, to the AirPods Yin. And where the AirPods were just the best way, the easiest way, the coolest way to take your Apple Music and all your audio with you, this is supposed to be the best and easiest way to listen to it all at home. So I did open it earlier, I couldn't wait, but I'm gonna open it again with you. Top comes off. Here we have the HomePod itself. And as you can see, it is just perfectly symmetrical. It is made of an acoustically transparent fabric, and I'll just liberate it from its docking station. It's not really a docking station, I just like the sound of that. So it comes out, it's heavy, it is small, but it is heavy. And it has a cord, the first one I've ever seen from Apple that's made out of, it feels almost like the same kind of woven material as the HomePod itself. And before I move on, of course, Apple has a little round Apple sticker. Warranty, of course, other information. Set of HomePod tips that just tell you how to do everything from the controls to the setup. We don't care about that. I am going to plug it in. There we go. Now all we have to do is wait just a few seconds. Wow, I felt that. So now the fun part, setup. It starts off just like AirPods. Gives you this great interface. You press setup, choose the room. I'm gonna choose dining room because why not? Continue. Personal requests, that's interesting. So you can have it handle your messages, your reminders, your notes, anytime that your iPhone is on the same network. But that also means that when you're home, other people could access that. So it depends if you want convenience or security. I'm just gonna skip it for now. Terms and conditions, agreed. And now it's gonna transfer over my settings, like my Wi-Fi, my accounts, all of that. So that tone is sort of like the pattern you see on an Apple Watch when you're setting that up, or just the numbers you type in on an Apple TV. It just lets you know you're pairing the right HomePod with the right iPhone. Password time, no peeking.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play Business Never Personal.
Got it. Here's the album, Business Never Personal, by EPMD.
Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, play Vector Podcast.
Playing Podcast Vector with Rene Ritchie.
I'm Rene Ritchie, and this is Vector. Hey Siri, stop. Still on the crappy mic. It should be the app. Way more to come. I'm Rene Ritchie. This is the HomePod. Hey YouTube, I'm Rene Ritchie. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, and that way even more digital assistants will get their wings.